Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman reports that he asked Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu whether he had heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioning the valuable night. He said, yes, we engaged in i'tikaf along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the middle 10 days of Ramadan. When we intended to go out on the morning of the 20th, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivering us a sermon on the morning of the 20th said, the valuable night was shown to me, but I was caused to forget that. So you should seek it on the odd nights in the last 10 days. Moreover, I saw I was prostrating myself in the mud, and whosoever engaged in i'tikaf with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam should return. So the people returned to the mosque, and we saw no patch of cloud in the sky. The reporter says a patch of cloud appeared and poured down, and the prayer was also established. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam prostrated himself in the mud till I saw the mud on his nose and forehead. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2036.